of people love to bowl. It's one of the most popular sports in the United States. Brian Cappadonna reports Washington Park School students also love to hit the lanes.
The Washington Park School Bowling Club is once again racking up strikes, spares, and snacks. The popular fall activity that runs from September to November drew a busload of students to the T-Bowl 2 bowling lanes in Wayne. While some participants are veteran bowlers, many are new to the sport.
Do you like bowling? Why or why not?
Yeah, I love bowling. I get to hang out with my friends and eat some really good food.
Do you go bowling often?
Yeah, like once or twice a year, I'd say.
Do you go bowling with friends or family or both?
Sometimes both. Pretty much with my friends most of the time.
I do like bowling. It's fun, like especially for the school. You eat food, you hang out with friends.
Do you go bowling often?
Not really, no. Like maybe like once or twice a year.
Do you go bowling with friends and family?
Yes, I do indeed. Usually with my parents, but on special occasions, maybe for like a party with my friends.
As with other recreation sports, bowling has a pro league. The PBA has a men's and women's league. The all-time champion is Walter Ray Williams Jr. with 47 PBA Tour championships. The 2024 men's champion is Deron Booker. The women's champion is Lee Jane Sin.
Do you go bowling often? Why or why not?
Yeah, I go bowling often. I love bowling.
Do you go bowling with friends and family?
Yeah, I usually go to this bowling alley.
Why did you decide to bowl for the school this year?
I wanted to bowl for this school because I thought it was going to be a fun idea.
I like bowling because it's fun. I get to hang out with my friends and it's one of my favorite sports.
Why did you decide to bowl for the school this year?
I just thought it would be a good thing for me to do after school so I don't have to sit around and do nothing.
Do you go bowling often?
Yeah, I could say I go bowling a few times a year.
Students have many options when it comes to food. Some favorites are French fries, popcorn chicken, and hot dogs.
Whether students threw a gutter ball or bowled a strike, everyone had a great time and would likely attend longer than the 7-week season. Reporting from Wayne, Brian Cappadonna, TBN. Actually, let me give a try at bowling.